Hi guys, this is Seth. Welcome back to Warthog Defense. Ukrainians continued with deep attacks on Russian infrastructure, and today factories which are of strategic importance for the Russian military industry were on the menu.
Bakhmut direction. An attempted Russian assault involving 6 armored vehicles. Reportedly 2 were able to flee and the rest was destroyed. One more fire broke out in Russia. Local media report. Electroisolat plant in Moscow region. It produces electrical insulating materials. Causes of fire is unknown. Ukraine strikes a critical defense plant 2,000 kilometers deep from the front line. Can it be? Also, we have a massive fire at the Uralmash Zavod in Yekaterinburg, Russia. It is a leading producer of equipment for metallurgy, mining, and energy, and the country's largest defense plant. The fire broke out in a shop of Energotransbud, a manufacturer of electric motors and transformers. It rapidly spread across 4,500 square meters. The roof and ceiling collapsed. Uralmash lies 2,000 kilometers from the front line in Ukraine. Eyewitnesses reported hearing a pop before smoke poured out. The cause of fire is unclear as of this moment. It is unknown if Ukraine is involved, but Ukraine has previously carried out operations against defense sector deep in Russia. Explosions, sabotage operations, and alike. Another mystery fire. It is happening just now in Kotkovo, 70 kilometers from Moscow. Electroisolat, a multi-purpose electrical engineering company. The cause is also unknown. Ukraine has started manufacturing drones with a range of more than 1,000 kilometers. We increased the production of long-range drones tenfold compared to last year. Most of the drones that attacked Russian refineries have a range of 700 to 1,000 kilometers. But now there are models that can fly over 1,000 kilometers, said the Minister of Digital Transformation of Ukraine, Fedorov. The HIMARS system accurately worked out and destroyed, together with the crew, the Russian electronic warfare R-330 ZAH Zhitel automated jamming station, which was discovered by the UAV operators of the 3rd Separate Regiment of the Special Forces during reconnaissance in the Zaporizhia region. Soledar District, Donetsk region. Arrivals of GLSDB guided bombs on Russian positions in the occupied city. Russian media showed footage from the anti-terrorist operation in Dagestan. In Makhachkala, the FSB blocked an entire neighborhood in the private sector. Ukrainian soldiers and citizens, Russia continues to attack civilian infrastructure, especially gas and petrol stations. Therefore, avoid to be near them, especially when they already burn.
Нихуя себе! Нихуя себе, блядь!
Senior Lieutenant Maxim Sokolov was severely burned in this TOS-1 Asoln-Sepyak heavy thermobaric rocket launcher. He was taken to hospital, but died on the 27th of July, 2023. Watch this firework. The crew experienced what they wanted to inflict on Ukrainian soldiers. Epic truck explosion in Moscow for the end. 5 cars were damaged as a result of the explosion. No casualties are reported. Ukrainian defender of the 92nd Mechanized Brigade rescued 2 boarlets in the forests of the Kharkiv region and named them Tisha and Tosha. Another defender with the call sign Sladki, sweet, sheltered a red-listed marbled polecat. Ukrainian soldiers constantly rescue wild animals from shellings and take care of the animals that have lost their homes and found themselves at zero line.
Thank you again for watching. Stay with Warthog Defense. I'm Seth. Comment, like, subscribe, become our member, and stay strong.
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Also, if you want to support Warthog Defense, please become our member and get early access to new videos, exclusive members-only videos, and become administrator in comment section. The membership link is in the description.
Every day. We had a guy last week, it's 6 rescues in 6 days. You know, he's doing the job every day.